wrong, bud?
Lost my belt to Halloween Hell, man. Because that damn Plexis and the guns. I hate those guys.
I lost at Halloween Hell too.
It sucks, man.
But I also hate Plexis.
You hate Plexis too?
Yes. And his damn manager, Christopher Cassidy.
That guy's one bad SOB. I don't like him either. Well, let's fight him.
Can we?
Yeah?
How?
We're wrestlers. We'll just fight him.
Oh, yeah.
Who should be our partner? It's perfect.
Right? I thought it was really perfect.
It's perfect.
Vendetta.
Tony Baroni of Phantasmo, our mystery partner. Is he a mystery?
It's Scotty Sweater Vest.
It's Scotty Sweater Vest.
We are teaming up with Scotty Sweater Vest against that damn Christopher Cassidy, that damn Alex Plexis,
those goddamn American guns. We're coming for you.